Hello guys, and welcome back to my kitchen. Welcome back to Chef Naz, Life is Spice. Today we're just going to be cooking dinner. It's that simple. So what we have, got a bit of rump steak. We're going to make a tomato sauce, very simple to have with some linguine. So we've got everything ready here. I've got a pan for the steak, pan for the sauce, and a pan for the pasta. So let's start. We're just going to season and rest. So I've got a bit of just regular salt here. So just got a bit of salt. Season that a little bit, not too much. Pepper on this side, that side down. And what I've got here, I've got this spice mix, African barbecue. Let me put some of that on there. This is a blend of salt, garlic. Look yourself, can you see? So that's that one side done. Let's do the other side. I know there's salt in the seasoning, but I like a bit extra salt. It's quite thick. So this cook along is literally Friday night dinner for us. Nothing major, nothing fancy. So we'll leave that. Now we get on to the tomato sauce. So I put that on quite a high heat. Olive oil, very light olive oil. Just a little bit. Let me show you. Ooh, I don't know if you can see. So I've got here some garlic chopped and some shallots, so that goes in there. Then on lower heat, medium heat, very simple. Bit of salt. So of course cooking here. And now I've got a ripe tomato and half a tin of tomato there as well. So that's almost, I don't know if you can see, getting translucent. Put that in there. So that's what you're gonna get. Nothing major, nothing fancy. But once that's cooking, put the heat up a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit of smoked paprika because I like it, it's not traditional, and oregano, half a teaspoon, and let that cook away. Let that simmer down. Don't add any water yet. And now water's boiling. Let's see if we can do everything within like 10-15 minutes. Just a little bit. So look what we do here. Tiny bit there. So what we're going to do, we're going to cook the sauce, the spaghetti, or sorry, linguine. I'll show you what I've got. This linguine. It's from a shop called Lidl in UK. So I've got that hot, getting hot. It's on 3. So let's start getting the steak ready. Best part. Let me see. Put that full whack. That's simmering away. So we put that on. That's boiling up. What I'm going to do is add some salt for the pasta. And this one, I've got a bit of rapeseed oil, just a little bit. I want that to come to a smoking point. Smoking. I best open a window. It's gonna be quite hot. You can always season a little bit after, so you see, look, real-time cooking. Shove that. And as you can see, a little bit of water. It's been sizzling for a couple of minutes now. Now, sauce coming through. I don't have any parsley or anything, so you know, put that on a bit of a higher heat. So look at this. Ready. Nice bit of sear. I could do it a bit more, but because when you put the spices on, sometimes it doesn't sear as much. You've got to move it a bit. So yeah. But then we're going to slice this thinly and serve it with the pasta. Now, I get told off because I was meant to do this, look. But not much footage, is it? Let's just watch this sizzle. Whoa, sizzling, sizzling steak. So we got the linguine. Put this all in there. No. Break it a bit. No, don't break it. So that's cooking instructions. Oh, 9 minutes. So everything should be done in about 9 minutes. So if we're looking at the sauce now, let's have a look. Oh, God. Reducing on what is it, number 4. Let's reduce. Let's reduce a little bit more, and then we can add some extra virgin olive oil. Let me add some now. Ooh, got some chili flakes, a little tiny bit there. Some black pepper, see that? Some black pepper. And we go back to, let's have a look at the steak. There we are. Look at that. Now, I haven't done anything. I've just seasoned them up nicely, and then this is probably medium rare now. It's on the full heat. So let's check out the other side now. Again. Now that's getting sear. It won't be long, then we take it off and we rest it, and by the time the pasta is ready, everything will come together. Brilliant. Let's look at the sauce again. Look at that. Now that's a nice tomato sauce. That's ready. So I think that's like a medium, but like you see the fat, and you render that down a bit more. Whoa, let me see. Look at that. And on this side, this dish I'm not going to really have too much fat. I'm going to add a little bit of butter. Oh, look at that. I mean, it's naughty. Look at that. I'll get a spoon really. I'm being lazy. Look at that. So I'm going to take this off. So let's take this off. Because we're going to reheat all the pan juices and the butter. Do this. There you are. Let that rest. So let's have a look. I think that's almost done. When you mix it with the pasta, put it on lower heat now. So what we have now, I've got the steaks. Look, just gonna slice them up a little bit. Watch. First one here. That way you don't get a nice chew. This one you work. So you just gotta work it out sometimes, and sometimes it doesn't work. It's like a medium to medium rare sort of thing. Very tasty. This is my way. I mean, you can cut it anyhow you want, but because I'm going to cut it either with pasta, still juice. Could rest it a little bit more, but it's getting late. Trimmings, that's the juices and the fat. You put it back in there, and you see it's beautiful. That's how simple it is to cook a steak. All the juices. It's not blood. It's juices. Hemoglobin. Everyone thinks, oh, it's blood, but it's not. Clean up as you go. So there, steak. So now, if you look, tomato sauce. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. So I'm going to add a little bit of the pasta. It's going to be just a light sauce for the pasta. And this is just linguine. This is coming together. So I like too much sauce. Mix it. There you are. Look what we have here. Pasta.